Okay, so I'm going to show you how to make dashi, which is a stock that is a basic ingredient to a lot of Japanese cooking. Very easy to make, and it only requires 2 ingredients. First thing you need is some kombu. Kombu is a K-O-M-B-U, a sea vegetable, and you just need 1 piece of it. They're usually pieces that are folded in half. This is about 2 inches wide when it's not folded. And you want to make sure there's no grit on it, but there's like a white powder on here. Do not wipe that off. Leave the white powder on there. We want to put that into 1 quart of water and bring it to a boil. So you can bring it to a boil on high heat. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go off camera and come back after this kombu comes to a boil. Okay, so we're back. The quart of water is just coming to a boil with the kombu in it. So what we're going to do is remove the kombu, keep it, and turn off the heat. And then we're going to take the second ingredient, which is bonito flakes. Both of these products, by the way, the kombu and the bonito flakes that I use are Eden brand. They're available at Whole Foods. And this is a 1 ounce, 1.05 ounce package. What these are is it's shaved fish, shaved dried bonito fish. And what we want to do now is simply drop the bonito flakes into the water. Let them drop to the bottom, sink to the bottom of the water, and then strain the dashi into a pot. And that's first dashi. It's done. Very simple to make. Now, first dashi is considered to be less intense but more subtly flavorful than second dashi. To make it second dashi, we just repeat the process. Take another quart of water, put the bonito flakes back in, put the kombu back in. Okay, so I've brought the kombu and the bonito flakes to a boil. I'm going to turn it down and let it simmer for about 3 or 4 minutes. Now, some people will bring the kombu to a boil and then they will simmer it for the second dashi. Then they'll add the bonito flakes and they'll simmer it. I don't really see the point of doing that. I just put the kombu and the bonito flakes into the pot with a second quart of water, bring them to a boil and simmer them for about 3 or 4 minutes. And that makes the second dashi. Now, the second dashi is considered to be a more intense but less subtle flavor. So they both have their applications, and as a practical matter, you'll probably use them interchangeably. So we're going to let this simmer for about 2 or 3 more minutes, and then we're going to strain it, and the second dashi will be finished. Okay, so we let the second dashi simmer for about 3 to 4 minutes. We are now going to strain it. Press the liquid out of it. And second dashi is done. So we've created 2 quarts of dashi. First dashi and second dashi with 2 simple ingredients. Dashi is a very flavorful stock. The bonito flakes have kind of a smoky taste and smell about them. And the kombu has a taste of the sea, and the 2 together make a very savory, umami-filled stock that can be used in many Japanese recipes.